Good morning everyone, and this is the revision exercise, last exercise of chapter number 7. Since it is the revision exercise, so it includes the questions which we have already solved, but still I will read it just once for you. Write the following decimal numbers in words. This we have already done. Write the following numbers in numeral form. That means you have to write down in numbers. Then write the following decimal numbers in expanded form. Here they have not especially mentioned that which expansion they need, decimal expansion or fractional expansion. It's not clear, so we will write down both in the fair notebook. That means you will do decimal expansion also and fractional expansion also. Compare the following pairs. Here we have to put greater than, less than, as we have done in 7.3. Then arrange the following numbers in ascending order. That means you have to find out which is the smallest, then greater than that, then greater than that. Add the following. We have addition. Subtract the following. Express the following decimal fractions as decimal number. Such questions also we have done. Express the following decimal numbers as decimal fractions, just opposite to the previous one. Write the decimal and the fractional expansion, same question as question number 3. Round off the following decimal numbers nearest to hundreds and round off the following decimal numbers nearest to thousands. This is only the new thing. Actually, rounding off we have already learned in some previous chapters. Same thing we have to repeat here. So, let me explain one part from each question. Question number 11, round off the following decimal numbers to nearest hundreds. That means, as we have already discussed, let me solve C part. 5.123. We know that whenever we will have any simple number, for example this one, then we start counting from right hand side. That is, this is your ones, tens, hundred. But in case of decimal, this is your ones, this is your tens, and this is hundred. Generally we start from right hand side, but here we will start from left hand side. So if they are saying that round off nearest to ones, then this is your ones, not this one. That means just after the decimal, this is our ones. So we will round off nearest to ones. If it is tenth, then this one, then hundred. If it is thousand, then next one. Likewise. So in question number 11, it is we have to round off nearest to hundreds. So ones, tens, hundred. That means by looking at this number, we have to round off the number. Okay. And for rounding off, we have already learned some rules. That means if the number is less than 5, then we will write number as it is. We will not make any difference to the previous number. And if the number is equal to 5 or greater than 5, then we will add 1 to the previous number. That's what we are going to do. Since here 3 is less than 5, that means we don't have to add anything. This 2 will remain as it is. So we will write 5.1. Here 0, if you want, you can write. If you don't want, then no need of writing, because generally after decimal these zeros doesn't mean anything. So in answers sometimes it may not be given, it will be given 5.12. that can be your answer, or 5.120, that can be the answer. If this number is, suppose it is 6, then you have to add 1 to the previous number and it will be 5.13. It will be 3 because 1 you have added, because here the number was greater than 5. Likewise, you will solve all the 4 parts. And question number 12 also, same type of question we have, only here we have to round off nearest to thousands. That's the difference. Let me solve D part. That is 8.3399. Thousands means we will start from here, ones, tens, hundred, thousands. This is your number. Since 9 is greater than 5, so if your number is greater than 5 or equal to 5, then you will add 1 to the previous number, and previous number was 9. When you will add 1 to this number, it will become 0. That means 10. It will become 10. So you kept here 0 and 1 carry, that will come here and it will be 4. This 3 will be as it is and this 8 will be as it is. This can be your answer or this can be your answer. As I said, here you can mention or do not mention, that are the same things. So this is your final answer. Likewise, you will do question number 11 and 12. Thank you.